Want to make at least $50 a day with CPA marketing? If yes, just simply try out this strategy, which I'm going to show you right here, because I'm going to show you how you could go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers using a unique strategy without actually going on to flaunting your link or showing any form of link right now. So with that being said, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video. The first thing which you want to do, or make sure you do right now, is to get registered on the CPA marketing platform. You could use Cpagrip, click on register, be brought to this page, fill out this form appropriately, basically focus more on the field with the red asterisk signs and get your account created after agreeing to the terms of service by checking these boxes out. And once you've actually done that, you can click on register now, get your account created and go on to log in into your account. Once you do click on login and log into your account, you want to come onto the URL file locker page by coming onto the monetization tools. If you do select that, you'll be shown this drop down list. Select the URL file locker and be brought to this page. Next, you want to click on create new URL file locker, agree to the terms of service, click on continue, and we're actually going to be locking an ebook right here in this particular section. For us to gain access to that ebook, we want to just simply utilize this platform called the pdfdrive.com. And if you do come right here to pdfdrive.com, all you actually need to do is to search for a PDF, maybe keyword related to a kind of PDF which you want to lock. And if I actually want to focus on the keto diet, I'm just going to come right here and search for keto, and I'll be able to see a lot of books that are actually related to that niche. You can actually see lots of ebooks right here, which I can actually go on to downloading for free and go on to utilizing those ebooks to make money. You can see the size right here of the ebook. This is the date it was uploaded. This is the amount of pages. Supposing I do select this ebook right now, and for me to go on to downloading it, I can download this on my device. But what I want to do instead is to actually copy the link address to this particular page. And if I do copy this right here, I'm going to head back to my URL file locker. I'm going to locking that right now in this section. So once this has actually been locked in this section, you want to just simply give this locker a name. I'm going to name it something related to keto diet. So once I do name it something related to this keto diet right now, what you want to do next is to actually go on to selecting a template. For the template section, this is quite suitable that you do select either the human verification template, or you could go on to selecting the files that download locker template. So anyone which you do select is quite okay. If you select the human verification, you can go on to using that as that. But if you're selecting the file download locker, you want to just simply go on to editing that to your preference. And to edit that right now, guys, all you actually need to do is to head back to the general section. So if I come right here, head back to general right now, I'm just going to edit this section to fit in that particular ebook which we are promoting. As you can see right here, the ebook name is the Keto Diet Step-by-Step Keto Cookbook to Gain Ketosis. So if I copy this right now, I'm going to head back to this section, and for the file name, I'm actually going to just simply paste that in this section right now. So if I paste that right here in this section, you can see how large it is. So I'm just going to go on to type in that myself. So take a look at this right now. I've completely edited this right here. You can see how it looks like. Right now, I'm just going to go back to that section and actually get the size, which is about 1.55 MB. I'm just going to come right here and actually edit that, which is 1.55. And once that has actually been edited, you want to edit this upload date. And for this date right now, you want to just simply select a much more recent date. So once I do put in something like this, I'm also going to go on to editing the last downloaded date right now. For me to do that, I'm just going to copy this particular section, paste in this, and actually edit the particular date right now. I can take this to something like 23, and this actually looks quite okay right now. So once this has actually been done, you can actually go on to add in an image if you do want to. For me to add an image, I'm just going to come right here, right click on this image and copy the link address, head back to my CPA marketing content locker. I'm going to come right down to this particular section right here. After this section, I'm going to click on image and go on to pasting in the link to that particular image. Click on submit right now, and that will actually be added right here. But it's actually having maybe a little issue adding that particular image, so you can actually use another strategy, or you could just simply leave the image out of this. So once you're actually done with this, guys, what you want to do is to actually head on to this section, click on save, and your URL file locker has actually been generated. Once this has been generated, click on get link, copy the link to your URL file locker. Because we're not actually going to use a link right here, you want to head on to this platform called qr-code-generator.com where you can convert every link to a QR code right now. So I'm going to paste in that link right here, and it's going to be converted to a QR code right now. I'm going to select a frame, and once I do select that, I'm going to click on download, and this will automatically get downloaded on my device. So the next thing which you want to do right now is to actually head on to ChatGPT to actually go on to generating a simple content on keto diet. So I can actually go on to asking ChatGPT to write an article on keto diet and also include a keto recipe. And if I do click on enter right now, ChatGPT is actually going to go on to generating this article. You can see right here it says the ketogenic diet, fueling your health and vitality. So that's the title for this particular article. So I'm just going to wait till ChatGPT is done. And while ChatGPT is actually writing or generating this particular content, all you actually need to do is to head on to this platform called Google Docs, which is the docs.google.com. You want to go on to creating a simple document by clicking on blank. Once you do click on blank right now, it's going to take you to a page such as this. So once you do get to this page right here, what you need to do is to copy the title which ChatGPT actually went on to generating. So I'm going to head back to that particular platform, and I'm going to come right here, copy the title. So once I do copy this title right now, I'm going to head back to my Google document and actually paste in that. So if I do paste in that, you can see how that looks like. I'm just going to highlight this text. I'm going to make that bold. I'm also going to increase the font size to something quite bigger. And I'm also going to go on to centralizing this. So once this has actually been done right now, the next thing which you want to do is to actually go on to inserting that particular content which you actually generated with ChatGPT. So I'm going to head back to ChatGPT and actually generate each and every other section of, or copy each and every section of this particular content. As you can see, that has actually been highlighted. I'm going to copy, head back to this section, paste in that right now. So once that has been pasted, as you can see right now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to remove this bold right here from this particular section. So once that has actually been removed, you can see how it looks like. The next thing which you want to do right here is to actually come down to the bottom section, and in this bottom section you can actually put in something like scan code for a free keto cookbook. And you want to just simply come right here, click on insert, you want to click on image, and you want to click on upload from computer. Right now I'm going to select that particular QR code, which is this one right here. Once I just select that, you can see that has actually been inserted. What I'm going to do right now is that I want to just simply centralize this particular content. So once I centralize this content, I can just simply go into making this bold right now and also centralize this to make that quite looking better. And if I do centralize this, maybe I can go on to increasing the font for this right now. So once this has been done, you can see how cool it actually looks like. Next thing which you want to do right now is to actually go on to clicking on file, and you want to just simply click on download and download this as a PDF document. So once you do download this as a PDF document, it will be downloaded on your device. Then want to try as much as possible to drive traffic to that by utilizing PDF platforms where you could go on to uploading that right here, such as this platform called slideshare.net. So if you do head on to slideshare.net right here, you want to just simply register for an account and click on upload. Once you do click on upload right now, after signing up to your account, click on select documents to upload, and this is a document right here. I'm going to select this one right now, and it's actually going to ask me to verify if I'm a human. I'm going to just simply complete this reCAPTCHA, and once that is done, you can see the document is actually being uploaded. So next thing which you want to do is to actually give the document a title right here, and you can actually select that exact same title which ChatGPT generated, or you just want to come to the document and actually copy this exact same title, head back to that platform and actually go on to editing that right here. So I'm just going to edit this section, and that has actually been set. For the description right now, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to actually generate a description for this article. So you can see the description which ChatGPT actually generated for me. What I'm going to do right now is to copy this description right here, head back to that particular platform and actually paste that in right here. You could go on to selecting the category right now, and I'm just going to select something related to food. And once that has been selected, you want to add in some tags, and you can actually do see that the more you actually do add some stuff right here, the more the discoverability score actually increases. So right now I'm just going to add in tags like keto diet. So I've actually added some cool tags right now. Once you're done with these guys, all you need to do is to actually come right here, click on publish, and go on to publishing this particular article on this platform. So if I do click on publish right now, This will be published on this platform, and as you can see right now, it has been published, and people can actually come right here to go on to searching for cool and amazing articles, to go on to downloading or ebooks right here, and they will be able to see my ebook and download that, of which if they do download that, later on they can actually go on to seeing that particular QR code which I actually inserted in this section. And if they do scan this QR code, it's going to take them to my URL file locker, which if they complete an offer, I do get paid some cool affiliate commission. So this is actually an amazing strategy which you want to just simply utilize right here. And if you do analyze the SlideShare website using SimilarWeb, you will find out that the website gets 72.6 million visits in the last 28 days, and that's quite a huge amount of traffic right now. If you go to the country and geography targeting, you will find out the countries that visit the website the most. So guys, regardless of any country that do click on that particular link, they're going to be shown offers available to their demographic, and if they complete that offer, you get paid some cool affiliate commission. If you have any question, just simply leave that in the comment section below. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.